Hi guys, I am Khushi and today I've got for you the top 5 meme coins for August 2024. Whether you are a beginner or a crypto veteran, these high conviction picks are worth checking out. I believe these meme coins have strong potential for the future. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. So let's get into it. First up is Pepe on Ethereum. Pepe emerged in a bear market and managed to hit a $1.6 billion market cap when nothing else was happening. Pepe is the third largest meme coin by market cap. It's a meme older than Bitcoin itself and has a strong community. This coin gained massive popularity thanks to its unique narrative and strong community support. It's no joke when a meme coin hits an $80 billion market cap at its all-time high. I believe it's going to continue to outperform many other meme coins this cycle. Next, we have Bonk Inu on Solana. Bonk Inu started a new wave of meme coin craze as the first mover on Solana. It played a crucial role in bringing Solana back from the dead, especially after the market downturn and negative publicity associated with Alameda research. Bonk Inu has performed exceptionally well, creating a useful use case with BonkBot, a bot that helps trade meme coins. This coin has shown significant growth, hitting an all-time high market cap of $2 billion. Its community is strong and it's closely tied to Solana, making it a solid pick. Moving on to Brett on Base, which is Coinbase's Layer 2. Brett is part of the Boys Club narrative, another meme older than Bitcoin. Coinbase is a publicly traded company in the US, making it a trusted exchange. Their user interface is simple, which is great for mass adoption. Brett has benefited from Coinbase's smart wallet, which simplifies the process of buying meme coins. It's the biggest project on the Base chain with a current market cap of $1.5 billion. Next on the list is Ponky on Sol. Ponky is the king of content in the meme coin world, boasting 300,000 followers on Instagram, 141,000 on TikTok and 100,000 on Twitter. This meme coin leverages short-form content to market itself effectively. It has a relatable character, a degenerate monkey trader that always loses, which resonates with many in the crypto space. The community is strong, constantly creating and sharing content. Ponky is currently the 17th largest meme coin by market cap, sitting at $300 million. And finally, we have Cock Inu on Avalanche. This meme coin is the first mover on one of the most techy blockchains, AVEX. Avalanche has been leaning into community token culture, offering grants and support to help the projects grow. Cock Inu hit an all-time high market cap of $300 million and moves closely with Avalanche. During one of my meme coin, Cock Inu turned out to be a 42-time gain from its $7 million market cap. Before we wrap up, I want to mention a bonus pick, Daddy on Base. This is a meme coin focusing on providing useful content and less on price action. It aims to educate newbies in the space, offering tutorials on how to do your own research, import contract addresses, and use token scanners. Currently, it has a $1 million market cap and I believe it has a lot of potential. So, there you have it. Top 5 meme coins for August 2024 plus a bonus pick. Remember, meme coins are high risk and high reward investments. So, always do your own research and invest wisely. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more crypto insights. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on these picks. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.